Hello friends, myself Professor Shantaya Gurmat, Department of Botany, MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Middebial, Karnataka State. Friends, today's class we know about plant movements, that is geotropism. The orientation of stems and roots in response to the force of gravity is called geotropism. The different parts of the plant respond differently to the stimulus of gravity. The primary roots grow towards the force of gravity and is said to be positively geotropic. The primary stem grows away from this force and is called negatively geotropic. Geotropism, or also known as gravitropism, is coordinated forces of differential growth by a plant or fungus in response to gravity pulling on it. Gravity can be either artificial gravity or natural gravity. It is a general feature of all higher and many lower plants as well as other organisms. Charles Darwin was one of the first to scientifically documented that the roots show positively gravitropism and the stems show negative gravitropism. That is, roots grow in the direction of gravitational pull, that is downward, and stems grow in the opposite direction, that is upwards. This behavior can be easily demonstrated with any potted plant when laid onto its side. The growing parts of the stem begin to display, but it's a negative gravitropism growing upwards. The roots growth occurs by division of stem cells in the root meristem located in the tip of the root and the subsequent asymmetric expansion of the cells in a shootward region to the tip known as elongation zone. Differential growth during tropisms mainly involve changes in cell expansion versus changes in cell division, although a rule for cell division in tropic growth has not been formally ruled out. Gravity is sensed in the root tip, and this information must then relayed to the elongation zone so as to maintain growth direction and amount effective growth response to change in orientation to and continue to grow its roots in the same direction as gravity. Stem gravitropism, an integral part of plant growth, oriented its position to maximize contact with sunlight as well as ensuring that the roots are growing in the correct direction. Growth due to gravitropism is modified by changes in concentration of the plant hormone auxin within the plant cell. A plant cell mature gravitropism continues to guide growth and development along with phototropism. Gravity mechanism plant possesses the ability to sense gravity in several ways, one of which is through statoliths. Statoliths are dense amyloplasts, organelles that synthesize and store starch involved in the perception of gravity by the plant gravitropism that collect in specialized cells called statocysts. The statocysts are located in the starch parenchyma cells near vascular tissues in the shoot and in the columella, in the caps of the root. Okay, thank you friends. So we meet in the next video.